You told me to be emotional. I know. Oh! So today we're going to be making Canada's largest liquid nitrogen banana boat. We're here at Magic Molecule with Alan, and we're making something really special. So Alan, 为什么你们打开这个店？
觉得用液氮做冰淇淋是我很喜欢，对，所以说我开了这家店。
人家在走来走去，他们看到你在做什么 ？How do you feel when 人家看到讲哦，这个是好棒？
对他们就感觉很新奇，就是从来没有见过，对，就感觉很新鲜。
So when we went to Magic Molecule, we didn't even know what we were expecting. We brought 8 special Instagrammers all across Ottawa to try this out. They all loved it. They all enjoyed it.
What's wrong? What?
人家来这里，他们要是什么？哪一个是最棒的
？Pop Ice， 对，就是草莓、芒果、巧克力、香蕉。
For you guys on YouTube, just in case, we're only speaking Chinese just because it sounds more exotic for you guys. As a warning before we start, liquid nitrogen is a bit dangerous, but with the professionals here at Magic Molecule, they know how to serve it properly for you. So now we're going to make Canada's largest liquid nitrogen banana boat. And so you're not going to see this anywhere in this world, except here. So let's start this. Ready, Alan? So first off, we're actually going to be mixing it up. We're going to pour the liquid nitrogen inside with the ice cream. So you guys are going to be tasting it. You're going to have a lot of different textures. So instead of ice cream, you just freeze it. We're actually mixing it in liquid nitrogen. That's like negative, like bajillion degrees. I don't know math. These machines, we're going to be making 3 different flavors. We're going to have chocolate, we're going to have strawberry, we're going to have mango. So the coolest thing about this place is you don't have this everywhere in Ottawa. Ottawa is a very service city. So having this kind of place, that has a little spike. You guys can see all the smoke. All this is the ice just freezing. It's just combining with the cream inside of it. Okay. Yep. So we're gonna now start pouring the base.
混合的就是那个，等一下会把它就是用那个 sauce， 用 sauce 那个给它。
So right now we're actually adding the base, so you can have a nice neutral flavor when we put sauce on it. So you guys get a difference between regular ice cream and ice cream that actually have sauce. We're gonna add another layer on top, so then we can just put the sauces in there, so you guys can actually have a little mix of everything in there. Yeah, so now we're gonna be adding a boba layer. These things pop in your mouth right away, so it's actually pretty good. Kind of looks like a flag of some sorts. So that's our 3rd layer right now, which is all the boba.
Banana boat foundation.
So now we're going to be adding the fruit part of it, because if you don't have the fruits inside the banana boat, it's not a banana boat. Oh Jesus, that's cold. So this is our final layer we're going to be adding. Well, no, I don't know how many layers we're going to have. We just know this is going to taste good. All right, so that's so terrible. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we welcome Canada's largest whatever that thing is. Thanks again, Alan. We're gonna be enjoying this right upstairs at Magic Molecule. Remember to check us out there. All right, so this is the largest thing we have in Canada right now. Made with liquid nitrogen with all the flavors all across the shop. You guys are gonna be loving it. We're gonna be trying right now to make you guys a little bit jealous. So ladies, let's get this started.
Look how tiny these spoons are.
For all our loyal viewers, if you guys want to have this taste in Ottawa exclusively only, you guys can comment the video below. What's your favorite ice cream? And you guys can win 1 free. What the fuck are we winning? Whoever this is for the smaller version of it.
We really appreciate you.
Yes, we really appreciate you. And again, we'll see you guys next time.